Let's play with cars. But first, we build our track. This red track goes here. And here. And look at this crane. It will help us raise our vehicles. We can use this gray lever to raise our crane arm up and down. Look at this helicopter. I like the sound of helicopters. They're so loud. It attaches right here. We can fly our helicopter with this green dial. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, friends, toy is ready. But where are our cars? Oh, look, it's Mac. Hi, Mac.
Hello.
What's he carrying? An egg? Let's crack it open. Oh no! Sticky slime! Our cars are stuck. Let's rescue them. Let's take our first vehicle out. It's a fire truck. Let's take out the next vehicle. It's a yellow taxi. And our last vehicle is, wow! It's a police car. Now we have our all three vehicles ready. Who should go first? Let's start with the fire truck. Have you ever seen a fire truck before? I like fire trucks too. It sounds like. Great! All right, we will start by putting it here. Let's press this button to raise our fire truck to the next level. Cool! Now this fire truck has to follow the path, and we can do that by turning this red dial back and forth, just like that. Awesome! Now the truck needs to go up. Let's turn this green dial and see what happens. Wow! It's taking the fire truck to the helicopter. Now this helicopter needs to take this fire truck to the bridge, and to do that, we will press this yellow button. It's too high. Let's press it hard. Yay! That worked. Now, let's turn this green dial so the helicopter can help fire truck to get to the bridge. What does this yellow lever do? Wow! It's closing the bridge. Whee! Do you remember how to raise the crane arm? Yes, by using this gray lever. Whoa! Yay! There it goes. Awesome. Let's put this fire truck here. Now it's time for the police car. Have you ever heard a police car siren? Yeah, exactly that. Here you go. Let's send you up by pressing this red button. Great. Now turning right then to the left, and then again to the right. Awesome. Let's make police car climb up the hill by turning this green lever. There it goes up. Just like that, and off it goes with our helicopter to the bridge. Let's close the bridge and let the police car go down the hill. Whee! Raise the crane up so it can finish the ramp. Awesome. Let's put it here. Now it's Taxi's turn. Have you ever ridden in a taxi before? Taxis pick up passengers and drive them anywhere they want. All right, let's put it here. Press the button. Go left, right, left. Swirl the green lever. And pop it up. Awesome job, helicopter. Off you go. Down the hill. And whee! Taxi made it too. That was so fun. All the cars finished. Which one was your favorite? Fire truck, police car, or taxi? Bye, friends. See you next time at Zayna's Playhouse.